This service video will show you how to repair the valve on a Butler wand. You will need Repair Kit PRK 4015-1, which is available by calling the service department or by ordering it on our website. You will need these tools to complete the repair. First, unscrew the cap and replace the O-ring. Next, remove the old spring and the old stem. Lubricate the new stem with O-ring lubricant. Install the new stem and the new spring. Lubricate the new O-ring on the cap. Finally, reinstall the cap.